Okay, in today's video we'll be looking at a few different ways to install Microsoft Edge on Ubuntu Linux 2204 Jammy Jellyfish. If you're not interested in a scripted installation, you can go to microsoft.com/edge and you'll be redirected to this download page here. Now we can see that we've got download for Linux, so I'll click the drop down there. And since I'm on Ubuntu, which is Debian based, I would select this Debian package. Then of course I have to accept the agreement here. So accept and download. And there we see that the deb package is getting downloaded. Okay, that is done. So let's click on the little folder here. And we can come over here and see that we've got our Microsoft Edge file. We can select Open with Other Application. And we want the software install, so I'll select that. I'll close the downloads in the background there. I'll go ahead and click Install for the Microsoft Edge stable. We can see that the source is a local file, Debian package. Okay, so Microsoft Edge is now installed and available to open. Okay, so we'll click on Open. Okay, there we have it. Microsoft Edge is installed. And we'll just close that for now. So manual local deb. Let's take a look at our software repositories here, see whether or not anything got added for that Microsoft package that was installed. No, doesn't appear to be anything for that. So I wonder how that's supposed to upgrade when there's updates available. Very, very strange. Okay, well it did put in a GPG key in the etc apt trusted gpg.d folder. I would expect that to have a source repository associated as well. Let's see if it got added to this file instead of having its own dedicated file. No, it did not. Okay, that's just plain weird. I know that some Debian packages, when you install them, they actually add the repository for you. Wonder if there's... Okay, since the graphical interface didn't add the repository, I'm going to try something here. I'm going to try using this gdebi command. Oh, I don't have it installed. Let me go ahead and get that. All right, this might take a moment. All right, while that's installing, I'm going to go remove Microsoft Edge from this method of install. So we'll go ahead and just uninstall that. Okay, go back, search, and let's see whether or not it's available. Microsoft Edge. Okay, not found. That's fine. That's what I want. All right, we'll close that. Now let's try this gdebi method here. Oh, right. Non-interactive, we can do that. Okay, and we have to be root, so do a sudo on that. Okay, that looks better. Unpacking the file. Now we'll go ahead and click our application view and see if we've got our Edge. We certainly do. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and remove Microsoft Edge again. Okay, I'm just going to do the sudo apt remove Microsoft Edge stable. Yes. Okay, good. Now let's confirm that we do not have any kind of a repo entry that we could do an install from our command line. Okay, and there is no installation candidate. That's fine. We're expecting this because it's not available in the Ubuntu Software Store or any of the standard Ubuntu repositories. Instead, Microsoft likes to keep some of their software on their own repositories, while some are available through Snap or other methods. So for example, you can install Skype, Microsoft Teams, and Visual Studio Code through Snap if you really wanted to, but for some reason Microsoft Edge is not available there. In order to get Microsoft Edge installed, we need to do a couple things here. Now we want to make sure that we have our prerequisites for downloading the GPG key and getting it imported to the proper location. So we'll make sure that these are installed with the following command: sudo apt-install -y wget gpg apt-transport-https. So as part of my base installs, I always make sure to have these pre-installed during my base build. Next, we want to get the Microsoft GPG key, and we'll do that with a wget command. There we go. Let's go ahead and make that a little bit wider so we can fit it all on there. So we're getting the command like this, and we need to pass it to gpg-darmor, and then we'll output this file, microsoft-prod.gpg. So we'll get ahead and enter. Let's make sure we have that file. There it is. Next, we want to install that GPG key into /usr/share/keyrings. So here's the command to do that. So we want to do a sudo space install. We want to set the owner to root, the group to root, and we want to chmod it to 644 so that everybody can read it. And we'll hit enter. So now that we've got our GPG key from Microsoft installed into the more current folder, if you read blog articles that say to do an apt-key command to add the keyring, please don't do that. If you do that, you're going to get warnings about that being a deprecated method. So stick to this method here that I'm showing you, because as you'll see when we get done, when I do a sudo apt update, we'll see that our repositories are listed with no warnings. All right, now finally, we need to create our source list for Microsoft Edge. All right, there's a few different ways of getting this created. Now we can just echo this command into a pipe that passes it to the sudo command with t, and that will go ahead and create the file for us. You could also do another command for doing an apt repo add or something along those lines, but that generally requires an additional package to be installed, and it's not necessary because this echo command works just fine. So we can see here that the actual contents of our Microsoft Edge list file, it says we've got a Debian package, architecture is AMD64, and it's signed by, and you'll note that this is the file, the GPG key file that we just installed earlier. So now that we have our repository added into the appropriate directory there, we're going to do a sudo apt update. And we can see here that we've got packages.microsoft.com/repos/edge stable in release. Now notice that we didn't get any warnings or any extra icons there. Everything's nice and clean here. So now if we do a sudo apt search Microsoft Edge, we'll see that we have some results now. So we can go dev, beta, or stable. I prefer to run stable, so I'll go ahead and install that. Okay, so that's installing. Now, I prefer this method to get Microsoft Edge installed because this way I know that I have Microsoft's repository added to my apt sources. That way, when there are any updates, it's really easy for me to get those. Okay, excellent. Now I can go to my application view and I can get Edge. And add it to my favorites. There we go, and then I'll just rearrange that by dragging it up to the top. And I'm all set. Okay, that wraps up today's video. Hope you learned something new here, or at least found a new resource for doing your scripted installation of Microsoft Edge on Ubuntu. Thanks, have a great day.